She's fucking annoying. You want to give her a ride?
Ask her.
If he wants to give you a ride, jump in with him. This orange car. 3 girls, yeah, for this orange car right here.
Fuck tripping, bro. Bro.
Wait, I think he's joking. Fuck. What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today's video, it's 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to everybody that's watching. It's a beautiful day in SoCal, currently 79 degrees outside. As you can see, I'm wearing a cut shirt because the weather's so nice, and I'm heading to the beach. We're meeting up with the boys, and we're gonna go ahead and have a little PCH cruise, kind of just show you guys around, show you what's popping on 4th of July, and hopefully it's a fun little vlog, maybe car cruise that goes down today. We finally met up with the boys. They're behind me right now. We have Trix and Brian today. Alex couldn't make it. And Trix is trying to get pulled over. But it's a gorgeous day here. A lot of people are out. So I'm just being extra cautious because there's so many pedestrians on bikes. And I'm really not trying to go to jail for running somebody over. Cops are out in numbers today. Damn, Trix's car looks so ugly on his stock wheels. I just learned to appreciate his aftermarket wheels after seeing his car on stock wheels. Law where they ticket you for loud exhaust, I feel like we shouldn't hit it.
I mean, it's a 6.4 engine with, well, you have 3-inch piping, so I can explain why you're so loud.
Bro, we have the same thing.
No.
Everyone says the Scat and the SRT are the same piping.
I have the resonator delete, okay? My shit's loud, alright? But not as loud as yours.
Mine is not that loud.
Yours is pretty fucking loud.
Yours is louder than mine.
Yours is ear piercing.
No, yours is louder than
I
mine.
can go deaf.
Yours is louder than mine, dude.
At cruising speed, I can go deaf.
Because my comments confirmed that we have the same exhaust.
Your comments don't mean shit.
People said we have the same exhaust. SRT and a Scat Pack have the same exhaust.
Then why is this not SRT then? Tell me that.
Because you don't have the suspension.
And I still give you the thing, like, I still take W's from you. I'm not.
I have it on video. Alrighty guys, we are in Mexico currently, about to do a run with my buddy in his Scat Pack. Let's see how this goes. She's fucking annoying. You want to give her a ride?
Ask her.
If he wants to give you a ride, jump in with him. This orange car. 3 girls, yeah, for this orange car right here.
Fuck tripping, bro. Bro.
Wait, I think he's joking. Fuck.
Fucking idiot. Yo, he was just joking.
What?
Wait, you said you would.
Oh, why are you joking with him?
You fucked up.
Yo, he said he would. You're such an asshole.
Bro, you're a...
I'm sorry, girls. I would, but I don't have space. Yo, I tried to get him 3 girls, bro. Who says no to 3 girls? Guys, literally what happened was, like, we pull up at a light, the girls are like waving her hand, she's laughing though, so I'm like, oh, this girl's kidding, you know, she's not serious about wanting a ride from somebody. So I look at my friend Trix and I'm like, yo, like, you want 3 girls? They have 3 girls. And he's like, yeah. So I tell her, okay, like, go for it. He's right there. They start walking to his car and then I realized, like, he had a look on his face like, oh shit, like, I didn't mean that. I'm like, oh no. So immediately I'm like, yo, like, he's joking or whatever. Thankfully, like, they were cool about it. They just said like, oh damn, whatever, and they backed off. But somebody could have got pretty pissed, maybe, like, you know, punched the car or something. You never know with crazy people. So yeah, I'm just glad it ended on a good note. But I think Trix is mad at me right now. Oh man. Uh-oh, someone just got pulled over by the sheriff. Yo, quick question.
Why are you not racing?
Who do you think is gonna win between me and him?
Why are you not racing Brian?
Who do you think is gonna win?
Him.
Him? Alright, guys, there's been a lot of trash talk between me and this guy, and today we're settling this shit. Today it goes down. This is one for history. Today's video. We're gonna go ahead and call it a day here. It was a lot of fun. I finally got to run Brian again because there's been a lot of trash talk, and they're about to go one more time off the dig here, so stop. This is how all our cruises are, them two just going nuts the whole time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys are going to be back for more, and until next time, Rush SRT signing out. Peace.